Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually create a PSN account on your PlayStation. So make sure to stick with us till the end. First of all, simply make sure that you turn on your PlayStation and you can actually use these buttons right over here to navigate through your PlayStation. Right over here on the left hand side, you could basically see these four buttons which you can use to move up and down and right and left. And on the right hand side, you can see these two bottom buttons right over here, which are the main buttons which you are going to use. The X button right here is the OK button, which works as the enter button on your keyboard, and this O button in the circular icon is actually the back button, so make sure to remember that. And we're going to navigate through this. First of all, what you have to do is you have to simply go to the menu bar. In order to go to the menu bar, press the bottom top navigation keyboard right over here, like the upper arrow which you see. And once you go to the menu bar, you can see some of these icons right over here. Now over here, what you want to do is to the right hand side of the screen, you could basically see the settings icon in this bag-like icon. So what you have to do is simply hit the X button, as we said earlier, on your PS4 controller. So go ahead and simply hit the X button and you'll be taken to an interface which looks somewhat like this. Over here, what you could actually basically go to is right under parental controls. You can see this option which I'm navigating to as well, called login settings. You can see there it says adjust settings for logging into the PS4 and manage users on this PS4. So what we are going to do is, after we navigate here, again hit the X button on your PS controller. As we do that, again you can see lots of different options. At the bottom of the screen, you can see this option in this tool-like icon called user management. You have to basically tap on user management. As you tap on user management, at the very top you want to again go ahead and tap on create user. So let's go ahead and tap on create user. Now you have to simply accept all of these terms and conditions. Use the buttons as I described earlier to actually navigate through these settings. So hit the next and tap on X button again, and as you can see, it will ask us to sign into PlayStation Network. So let this screen to load up. And by the way, if you already do have a PSN account, you could simply go ahead and enter your sign-in ID, which is your email address and your password, to actually log into your PlayStation account. But what we want to do is, at the very bottom you can see this option which says new to PlayStation Network, create an account. After you actually navigate your PS controller to this button right over here, you can hit the X button in order to press enter and then simply hit X. Once you do that, it is going to take some time to load the new option again. Now we are going to simply wait until the new menu pops up. Now this is the main case where we actually want to be careful. It says us to please review the privacy policy and data handling statement by pressing the options button. First of all, simply go ahead and change the country or region. I'm just going to simply select United States. Go ahead and choose a language and also make sure to enter your date of birth. Once you've actually entered your country, region, your language and your date of birth, navigate to the next button and then hit X on your controller again. Once you've done that, it will take us to a new page where it says us to actually enter our postal code. So make sure to actually enter a postal code right over here. So once you have actually entered your postal code, your city, as well as your state and province, what we're going to do is navigate to the next button and then simply hit X on our controller again in order to press enter. Now it says us to actually create and use our email address. Now you could go ahead and simply enter any of the email address which you already do have. So let me go ahead and fill up this information right over here. Once you've actually entered your email address, you could also go ahead and enter your password. You can see the password requirements which says must contain at least 8 letters, include at least 2 of the following character types including letter, number and symbol, contain no letters or numbers used 3 or more times in a row. So go ahead and confirm your password and again re-enter the password in the next box. So let me just go ahead and do that as well. Once you've entered all of your credentials, at the bottom you can also see these two options which says that if you want to receive an email from them, you can subscribe to the newsletter program. I'm going to simply actually uncheck it because I don't want my emails to be bombarded with all of these options. And once you've done that, you could go ahead and simply hit next on your controller again. As you hit next, you can see we will be taken to a new interface, and right over here we have actually successfully created our PlayStation Network account on our PlayStation. Now you could go ahead and simply choose any of the avatars which you actually want to do. You could go ahead and customize your display name, your first name, your last name, and then go ahead and fill all of the details. You can see there it says us to create our profile such as our online ID and a nickname which everyone will see. And this is basically how you can actually create a PSN account on your PlayStation. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.